Good morning guys, it is another renovation, moving, decorating. I don't really know what to call these vlogs because I'm no longer moving in, but I'm still doing things. So I'm just gonna keep calling them moving vlogs for now because I don't know what else to call them. But anyway, it's another moving vlog today, and today's task is the makeup. I'm having two friends round in like 2 hours. So I've got quite a time pressured situation on my hands, which I don't often work well under time conditions. So we will see how this goes. Some stuff to do. Also, I just want to say thank you. The video that went up after my little like update video was pre-filmed from before. So obviously I didn't say thank you in that video, but I just want to say a massive thank you for being so lovely and kind in the comments. I feel honestly like 150 times better since, and when I uploaded that video it had been about 10 days since I'd filmed it, so even on uploading it I was like, do I still upload it because I feel better? But I felt like it was important to share how I was feeling, even if it was no longer how I was feeling, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much for being so lovely and wonderful as always. You guys are literally the best. Just wanted to say thank you. This vlog is positive because I said we're going back to positive videos. Obviously if I have a down day, I'll tell you it's a bad day, you know, but today's not a bad day. I'm in a really great mood. Let's start organizing. So let me show you what we've got. I'm moving my makeup over really slowly because I don't need all the makeup that I own. Like, I really don't. So I'm gonna try super hard to streamline all of my makeup. So I'm bringing it over kind of in bags of stuff that I missed, because I watched every single episode of Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, I think her name is. And she was like, if it doesn't spark you joy, don't keep it. So I went through my makeup at my dad's and was picking things up that sparked me joy and putting them in makeup bags. And so far, the stuff in front of me is what I've moved over. There's still stuff at my dad's that sparks me joy / stuff that I need to use in videos and review and things like that. So because of the nature of my job, I have to have other products as well as just the ones that spark me joy. I thought, because I want a happy home, I'll bring the things that spark me joy first. If you haven't watched the show, I sound crazy right now because you don't know what I mean, but just watch the show and you'll know what I mean. It's amazing. I watched every episode in one day as I was organizing these. Actually, that was what I did all day. It was great. Sorry, I'm rambling. I've got my foundations, I've got my liquid lips that spark me joy, my MAC lipsticks. So all of these dividers I will link down below for you guys. They're all off of Amazon. They weren't super cheap, but they are gonna make such a difference. So I also got these clear lipstick lids for my MAC lipsticks so that I can actually see when I open the drawer what I'm looking at, rather than opening 10 to find one lipstick. My Dose of Colours eyeshadows. This is gonna be for my duos. This is gonna be for my quads. Highlighters, blush, bronzer, cream products, primers, concealers, lashes, mascara, setting powders, setting sprays, shimmery things, brow products, necessities like pencil sharpener, lash glue, stuff like that, cream eyeshadows, and big powders. This is a really big one. So this is kind of the general setup that I'm going for right now. This is my everyday makeup that I just keep on hand because this is all of my current favorite products. And then these are my like daily kind of brushes. So I've got my lovely lady with the eye brushes and then my man with the face brushes. We're in the office now. A couple of months ago, I ordered a desk and it took a really long time for it to arrive. I got it off of eBay and I loved it so much. It took a freakishly long time to arrive. But once it did, it's not exactly what I had in mind. It's a lot lower. Honestly, it's more like a sideboard than a desk, but having a magician for a father, he's gonna help me raise it. Because all of the measurements, like the width, the depth, everything like that is perfect. It's just really low. Yeah, we're gonna have to DIY it, change it a little bit, which is fine. My dad can help me with that. That's why it's quite low, if you're wondering. So here is my desk. This is where I'm gonna keep my makeup that I need on hand. My storage drawers that are still at my dad's house are gonna go over there, and I'm still gonna have them for like extra makeup, stuff I need to review, but this is going to be the stuff that I use regularly. I absolutely love it. It's got these gorgeous little tapered legs, and these drawers are amazing. They're really, really big. They fit loads of stuff. It's where I pack and send the mugs from, so that's why it's a bit of a mess. It's also glass top, so I can wipe it down rather than staining the top of the wood, which was a big thing for me because obviously I drop makeup everywhere and stuff like that. So at the minute, this is my mug sending drawer, which it won't be, I don't think, forever, but for now, that's where my mug stuff is gonna live. So I'm gonna run and grab all the makeup and we can start organising it into these drawers. Again, it's gonna be temporary because I don't know what the situation with the other drawers is gonna be, but right now, I can't have all my makeup on my living room floor. Primers, concealers, foundation. Oh, do you like my outfit? Fashion. Gilly Hicks Christmas pajama bottoms, and I get so many questions on this jumper. It's from Ragyard or Raygard. I got it off of ASOS like a year and a half ago. If I can find it, I'll link it down below because it's my favourite item of clothing in the world. Oh, and if you are wondering what this is, you clearly don't follow me on Instagram. I ordered a reflector for filming and it arrived and it's taller than I am, and it was meant to be like half my height, so yeah, I can't even fold it back down again to send it back, so I'm just gonna have to, I don't know yet. Me and my dad tried to fold it down for about half an hour. We watched videos on how to do it and it's not as easy as they make it look. I'm thinking this top drawer, this should be for like my essentials, things I need to be able to grab. Maybe brows. Wait, what's that? Oh my god. I've just found a whole new mystery compartment. This is so exciting. What is that for? This could be for my lash glue. Wow. If that's not exciting, I don't know what is. Does it have it on this side? No, this side does not have that. Weird. We should go in order of use. Let's go. Primers, foundations, concealers, cream product. Will this fit? Oh my god. Oh, they're all backwards. Turn you around, guys. Guys, it fits perfectly. I want to put setting sprays in the top, but they're not going to fit. Should I just put one in here? Oh, I don't know. We'll come back to setting spray. This side is going to be base and skin. This side is going to be eyes. I've decided. Eyes and lips, maybe? Let's do base here. So we need bronzers, blush, highlight, and then maybe... No. No. Setting sprays. Setting spray. Creams. Setting powder. So far we've got brows and essentials. This is where I'm going to keep like tweezers, stuff like that. Here is base, primers, foundations, concealers, cream, blushes, bronzers, etc. and setting sprays. Setting powders, bronzers, blush, highlight. More space back there, but that will probably go in that one. And I need something to fill this void. Probably, actually, these things that don't really fit anywhere else. They're a bit big. Maybe there, for now. I feel like maybe mascara should live in here. This is gonna have to be eyes. Let's go get some more eye stuff. Okay, here's vaguely what we're going for at the moment in the eye drawer. Bases, liquid glitters, duos, singles, liners, my melt stacks, quads, roughly at the moment. And I feel like I'm gonna have to move this stuff. I'm just gonna put them over here for now. By the way, if you'd like to buy some merch, it is linked down below. Lipsticks. These are just random for now, because this could take me days. Okay, I've kind of thrown things into drawers. for the final stages. Lipsticks, Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipsticks. These are the ones that are too tall to stand up. Eyes, currently empty. Maybe lashes, I don't know. Daily Essentials, base, powder base. Boom! Good morning everyone. I feel like I am always wearing this sweatshirt in vlogs. It's because I'm basically always wearing this sweatshirt. I thought I would vlog a little bit because 2 boxes here. These are actually 2 light fixtures that I'm sending back. The maid delivery guys are coming to collect them in like half an hour. You might have seen that like gold light in here. I wasn't vibing with it. It was too much gold with the leaning lamp, so I took it down and it's going back to maid. So I'm still on the hunt for the perfect light fixtures. This, which I mentioned in a vlog. If you were kind of listening really closely, you would have heard it, but it wasn't like a big thing, so I kind of moved on from it quite quickly. I ordered an orange sofa to go in my office to be the spare bed, and it arrived from maid and it was not orange, it was red. It was definitely red, but it was like a really red orange, which was not what I wanted. I don't want loads of red in this house because of how much green there is. I don't want it to look like a Christmas house. So I really wanted orange to go in front of the palm leaf wallpaper. Quite a lot of you in the last vlog actually asked me about the palm leaf wallpaper. It's over there. And it's going on this wall, hopefully at some point, maybe this week, if not next week. It's just a really, really big wall, and it's a really small repeat. Oh, the delivery guy is here to either drop off my new vlog camera or pick up the parcels. This is going back because it's not the right colour. And there's another sofa on maid, which is like a velvet orange, which is definitely orange, so I'll probably go for that one. 1 sec. Hello.
Hi, you alright?
I'm good.
Collection?
Oh man, okay, right. So there's these 2.
Right.
And then there's a folded down sofa bed, which I thought there might be 2 of you. What size is your van? They aren't heavy, but they're bulky.
No,
You're right.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries. Bye.
Bye, have a good day.
You too.
Didn't take the sofa. That was just my usual DPD guy who I really, really like. God damn. What was I just talking about? Anyway, my toast is going cold. No butter is gonna melt on this, so I'm gonna quickly just finish making my tea and my toast. Anyway, yeah. So that will be going up really soon, but I found an orange sofa which will be going here. But I'm not prioritizing that. I'm prioritizing the mugs. I've got enough stock for the mugs to last me like a year or so. So this room will slowly be getting done, but this will be a long-term project, I think. You guys can enjoy that. There's gonna be a whole lot. These vlogs aren't gonna end anytime soon because this house is not gonna be finished anytime soon. I'm also waiting for my sofa, which will hopefully come in the next week or 2, which will completely change this room and will stop me from having to sit on a beanbag every day. Look how nice the sun looks when it comes in. It's so pretty. I got some tulips. If you ever wondered what my favorite flowers are, it's sunflowers, tulips, and orange lilies. If you ever want to buy me flowers, Tim, those are my favorites. Things are still looking okay in here. My lilies have come out. Oh yeah, my lilies have come out. These took a long time to come out to play, but they finally have. And don't they look nice? So pretty. Right, I need to sort this out. Also, I've popped round yesterday because we went to an event, and look what she got me. It's a cactus duvet cover and pillowcase. How nice is that? It's my birthday housewarming Christmas present. Thank you, Soph. Hello. So after my frustrating morning, I decided to pack up some mugs to try and get some stuff out of my office. So at least if I can't get my sofa out, I can get some mug orders out. So again, if you'd like to purchase a mug, they are linked down below in the description. My dad's on his way here because he is going to plumb in the bath and the sink, which is very exciting. This room obviously is the least finished room in the house. I kind of pretend isn't here. I use it to pee because there's a functioning toilet. Then I close the door on it and pretend it's not here because it's nowhere near finished. It's where my new Hoover lives. But yesterday my dad fitted some lights in here, which are very, very small details, but I think are making a big old difference. He put these 2 uplighters. So if you go here, there's 2 switches. Look at this. Oh, mood lighting. So that light and these lights can be on at the same time but also separately, and I really love how vibey this would be. Perfect for bath time at night, don't you think? So I'm not sure what colour I want to paint these walls yet. Part of me is thinking maybe going for a really dark navy. I know navy is super trendy. Oh my god, please focus. Piece of shit camera. But I think it would look really cool in here because it's such high ceilings. So maybe navy, but I'm also thinking maybe another like brighter colour, but I also want it to be really chilled in here because it's like bath time. As you can tell, I'm not 100% sure yet, so I'll shut the door on that for now. I'm gonna start editing a video and continue watching Grace and Frankie, which is all I appear to do at the moment. Good morning, everyone. I am filming on my brand new G7X Mark II because, as you know, my old one completely broke, and God, it feels good to be filming on a new one. My dad's calling me. Hello. Okay, oh my God. My sofa delivery guys are coming to collect this bloody sofa, which has been in my possession for a long time, which I don't want. But they've gone to my dad's house to collect it, so now I need to wait. It needs to get out of my house because it's bright red. Wow. Guys, look at the sun. This is one of the first sunny days I've had at the flat. The sun's gone out of here, but I just moved my plants to put them in the direct sunlight for a little bit. Look at them. This guy is getting so big. Like, it's so much taller than me. I feel like a proud mum. But hopefully I'm gonna try and get my dad to put the wallpaper up. It might be the next vlog, or maybe the vlog after that, where you see the palm print wallpaper. Also, I've got a date for my sofa, the 9th of February, so I've got another 2 weeks living on beanbags. When these sofas arrive, it's gonna be the happiest vlog in the world. I cannot wait. Anyway, this vlog was mostly about organising my desk, which is already a mess again. We are starting to get some order. I've filmed a few main channel videos here now, and they look so good. It looks super cozy and the aesthetic that I wanted, and I'm so pleased. So yeah. Yay, 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 yay. I feel like I might end this vlog here because I'm not going to be doing anything to the flat today. But my dad's going to come to the flat maybe tomorrow or the next day. So I'll probably just end this vlog here and start another one tomorrow, so you get another vlog. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will have linked hopefully all of the Amazon dividers down below, as well as my mugs if you want to pick one up. So yeah, thanks for enjoying. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you did. Join my little family. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have a set schedule now, and I've been keeping to it for 2 weeks now. So I'm going to try and keep to it forever and ever and ever, amen. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.